Good afternoon. Tuesday afternoon, not Wednesday. I'll be back on Wednesday for my regular video. But while I was on my trip last week, which was a wonderful mission trip, I enjoyed it very much, profited from it a great deal, I placed my order for lip tattoo. And so these are the 3 that I've got. I had 3 more ordered, but I've sold those to customers, and I'm about to, it's like I did that the last time, dropping things all over the place. Pardon me. I'm about to start delivering those lip tattoos to customers, and so I did not want my customers to try the product before I get to try it. And these came in the day I got home, Thursday, but I have not even opened one yet. So, this is taking a lot of courage to do this online before I have ever done it, doing it live. Last night we had a coach call, a power hour call with our coach, and she had planned to do a live video putting on the lip tattoo for the very first time, and she chickened out. So I'm braver. She chickened out because she says she just had never tried it before, and so she was afraid she'd make a mess of things, and so she backed out. But later she said she actually did put some on and didn't have any problem with it. So we're going to give it a try. You know my vision issues, whether I have to use my super magnification mirror to do this, but we'll see. I am wearing sort of brown shades today because that's just what I threw on to go do some deliveries, and probably not the perfect outfit to try one of these colors with. Probably the gnarly nude would go best with this outfit, but I don't have gnarly nude. I sold one. I don't have one. I have Rebel Raspberry, and I have Inked Rose, and I have Renegade Ruby. Okay, so what I'll do is go ahead, and I'm not going to try them on my hand because, well, actually I could. It'd be okay to run around with that on my hand today, I guess, because I am, doing deliveries, and if people say, what's that on your hand? I can say, this is Renegade Ruby, I think. Let's see. Yes, this is Renegade Ruby. So we'll go ahead. That is, let's see, I think that is the felt tip for lining, and the boulder tip for filling in. Now, when I watched Janine do her video, which I never did get posted here, by the way, I'd said I would get that posted, but I didn't for various reasons. But you can see it on Avon USA representatives page if you want to see 2 of the people from Avon doing this whole video on all the shades and how they look on 2 different people. But anyway, we'll do our own video, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit on the back of my hand right here. How's that? Okay, that is Renegade Ruby. Okay, and that was with the bold tip. Okay, now let's see what else I've got here. I'm Rebel Raspberry. I'm thinking that's going to be just a little bit brighter than the Renegade Ruby. Yes, I am right. Rebel Raspberry, the felt tip, the broader tip. It's the same shade on both ends because it's the same ink in there, and that's why they are best to be stored laying this way. Don't stand them up like you might do a lot of your different liners. You want them laying this way because the ink inside is flowing to both sides, and so you want to make sure that unless you just get to where you're not using but one side, and if you're not using but one side, you can store it with that side downward so that all the ink would flow to that side. Okay, well, last one is Inked Rose, and like I said, I think I'm going to go with that one today. They did say that it might be best to, just like exfoliate your lips a little, or like with a washcloth, not gritty and all that, but just to prepare them. And I didn't do that, forgot about that. You see, this is a light shade. Gnarly Nude is the lightest, or it's a nude. And this would be the lighter of the lightest of the pinks. I keep opening the felt tip first. Okay. Yeah, oh yeah, that's gonna look good. That is, what did I say that is called? That is Inked Rose. I think that's gonna go good with this outfit. Okay, let's try this. Let's go with a felt tip. And I gotta get my mirror. Now, you know, this is a tattoo. So if we make a mess, you know, on our outline, we've got to get it off in a hurry. And I didn't bring anything in here. I have confidence. I didn't even bring anything in here to clean up a mess with. So we're going to do it right the first time, okay? Bear with me. Is it quiet in here? Okay, this end's going to give you a really precise, it is not flimsy. It's going to give you a really precise line. It's really like using a felt tip marker. Don't know what that is. That was easier than I expected. Now, where did I put the cap? There it is. Oh, that is very important. When you put the cap on, listen for that click. You want to make sure you hear that click because you don't want this drying out. It is a marker. Don't let it dry out. Okay, this end has, let me see if I can get it to where you can see it. A flat. You see, I've got the flat part on top. Maybe you can see that, maybe not. But up against my forehead. It's rounded more on one end, on one side, and flat. There, the flat's on the bottom there, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to just take that flat side and fill in. Now see, by doing this today, I can use it the rest of the day or wear it. Excuse me. I did pick up a little bit of a cold while I was on my trip. So I've been battling that. Not bad. So this way I can wear it and then report in my video tomorrow on how it did. And you can build the color a little bit more by just adding a little bit more, but that looks good to me. I am going to click that cap and lay that there. Make sure that one doesn't get away from me. And I'm going to go do my deliveries. It doesn't take but just a few seconds to dry, but it's not drying. It doesn't feel dry. You can put a gloss over it or a lipstick over it, but I'm going to just wear it this way unless I get out and about and decide I need a little moisture. But so far, it feels pretty good. Okay, I will be back to report on how well it works. Oh, wait. We have to do the test there. Okay. Now, I got to remember that I've got Inked Rose, Rebel Raspberry, and Renegade Ruby. So if when I'm out and about, somebody says, what are those? Inked Rose, Rebel Raspberry, Renegade Ruby, Inked Rose. It looks a little darker. It looks more like, one of the darker shades once it's on because of my lips being darker. But this would be the lightest pink that we've got right now. We only have the 6 shades right now. So, okay, there you have it. Not a transfer at all. No transfer. Okay. Have a great afternoon, and maybe I'll be seeing you soon. Thanks for watching.